Hello everyone, welcome to Networker Stream. Just I would like to continue the installation, whatever we have left yesterday. Yeah, let's get into Ubuntu machine again. Just you put ifconfig. If you put ifconfig, that it's saying command not found. Ifconfig is for networking. So if you would like to connect this to internet or so, you can use this. You need networking for this VM. So just see whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. So we need to check which one it will take. I mean which network adapter it will take. So to see this, we need command called ifconfig. So it's not that just you need to install it. Sudo apt install nettools. Just you need to install nettools. Nettools. Just you need to give your password to install anything. So it is installing. So in the meantime, I will give you some information about network. Here in network settings, you have network thing. You have network adapters called NAT, bridge adapter, internal network, host only. Uh, Generic device. It's for manual and NAT network. This and this both are same. It seems not attached means NIC is not attached. So by default, it is in NAT. NAT NAT network it has taken already. So as of now, my internet is connected, so you don't need to do anything. So just if you put ifconfig here, you see you have a network adapter of ENP0S3. This is the network adapter thing. So the IP has configured is 10.02.15, and your subnet mask is this one. So just you need to check the gateway. So gateway is 10.0.2.2. So for suppose let's see, remind me later. So look at my physical machine settings, IP config / all. You see here 10.0. Some adapter 10.0. Some adapter is there. Ping 10.0.2.2. So the gateway is not pinging, and 10.0.2.15. Ping 10.0.2.15. So actually as of now, I think I am not connected to the VPN, so this is fine. But whereas I have my Windows firewall running, so might be that is a problem. But otherwise, you can able to ping between each other, so that you can able to communicate these two. So for suppose if you would like to just bridge network, means whatever the network adapter you have configured for your physical machine, it will replicate the same thing to here. So just if you put this one here, my wireless, so whatever the Wi-Fi I have connected, that same IP it will get assigned to your for this machine. And and one more thing I would like to show you is internal network is as of now we don't have those the we don't have that configuration, it seems. Host only adapter means host only, it will get isolated from the other network. It will get, so your PC will not communicate with any of with the with any other either NAT network or your physical interface network. So not attached means not attached. So that's it. So that is for NAT thing. So if you would like to if you are doing any labs and all, you can sometimes you use this, and sometimes you use your NAT network. Sometimes that depends upon your requirement. That's it. uh, Thanks for watching. That's about whole installation and all. uh, and if you have anything, just write an email to info@networkstream.in. Thank you.